Hey everyone, Accessory Dan here at Installations Unlimited today. Today we had the great opportunity to work on this beautiful 2019 Chevy Corvette. Customer came in and said, hey Dan, what can you do to make my exhaust a little bit louder? And we installed a cool Corsa Extreme exhaust system with cross pipes. Take a listen to this thing. Let's see how this thing sounds. Sounds great, doesn't it? We installed the Corsa Extreme exhaust system on this with the cross pipes. It sounds absolutely incredible. If you're looking for performance parts, if you're looking for truck accessories, we can handle all your needs today. Give me a call, Accessory Dan, Installations Unlimited.